Hello everyone, this is Amit Goswami, quantum physicist, consciousness researcher, and a quantum activist. I want to talk to you about higher education and invite you to a new kind of really higher education. Do you know where this phrase higher education come from, what it actually means? Education in the olden days was always regarded as a removal of ignorance. In our ordinary condition of consciousness, we are not aware that we have all kinds of potentialities to explore. Education is the light which removes the darkness of our ignorance. Education, especially higher education, is the education that teaches us not to bother, not to be entirely involved with our survival needs, but also to pay attention to higher needs. This is what human life is about. Higher needs come from consciousness itself, which ancient tradition discovered as a oneness, a spiritual oneness, which quantum physics, by the way, has established with scientific data. It's undoubtedly there. We call it non-locality. It's unquestionably there. So quantum physics says, yes, this consciousness, these concepts are correct. Yes, consciousness does give us messages, give us potentialities, and it does allow us to choose higher potentialities if we are so inclined. Education should take us to these potentialities, not be so much concerned with job training and information processing that you today get in our institutions of so-called higher education. Because of many scientists thinking that we are material machines, we have gotten into this state. Machines can only process information, not meaning, not purposive things, not archetypes, not truth, not love, not the higher needs. They don't have any. They're programmed things. And if we are that, then of course, there is no such thing as education, but job training and information processing so you can deal with other machines of your kind. What a wastage of human potentiality. This is changing because quantum science has replaced this traditional view of science prevalent right now, which is called materialist science, science with a dogma that everything is made of matter and material interactions. Quantum physics shows that no, science cannot be done that way. Because objects, even material objects, are possibilities for consciousness to choose from. We choose, therefore the manifest world is. And this is what brings back the idea of education in its original form, in its traditional form. The removal of ignorance that we are machine. It's exploration of the potentialities that take us to more and more to higher needs. Needs that satisfy our needs for health, well-being, prosperity, and happiness. So we are called Quantum Activism Vishalayam. We are also the School of Quantum Science of Health, Prosperity and Happiness at the University of Technology in Jaipur, India. This is a fully government-affiliated institution, and we are offering in conjunction with this university master's and PhD degrees. I invite you to enroll today and change the way you live. Synchronize your living, thinking, and livelihood. and explore your higher needs. We'll teach you real higher education. Thank you.